In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. Let's walk through the entire flow from a blank idea to a published post so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening your Beehiiv dashboard. From the main navigation, select Newsletter to access your publishing workspace. Click Start Writing to begin a new post. You can choose a blank draft if you want complete control, or pick a template from the library to speed things up with a pre-built layout and styling. At the top of the editor, type in your title. Keep it clear and benefit focused so readers know what they'll get. Add a subtitle to provide context or a compelling hook that supports the title. Then move into the main body and write your content. Aim for scannable paragraphs and a strong opening that earns attention. When your draft looks good, click Next to continue. Now choose where to publish your post. Email and web, email only, or web only. Email and web is the most common option, sending the newsletter to inboxes and also hosting it on your site. Next, choose your email audience. Select all subscribers or a specific segment if you're targeting a subset. Then choose your web audience to control who can view the post on your site. When those choices are set, click Next. You're on sending details. Add a subject line that's concise and curiosity-driven without being clickbait. Then add preview text, the short snippet that appears next to the subject in inboxes, to reinforce your message. In email header buttons, you can turn on social icons and enable likes and comments to encourage engagement from readers. Click Next. You're now in web post settings. Customize the post URL to a simple, readable slug that reflects your topic. Upload a post thumbnail to make your article stand out on your site and on social shares. In advanced email capture, configure how Beehiiv prompts visitors to subscribe, helping you turn web traffic into subscribers. Under comments, decide whether readers can discuss the post on your site. Open SEO settings to fine-tune discoverability. Add a meta title that matches search intent. Write a meta description that summarizes the value of your post, and review the search engine result preview to see how it will appear on Google. When everything looks right, click Review to confirm your settings. Choose Schedule if you want it to go out later, or select Publish Now to send immediately. Finally, click Publish Now and your Beehiiv newsletter is live.